weather card with Glassmorphism. Yeah, Glassmorphism is a thing which I am doing for the past some time, and this is what it is all about, this Glassmorphism, and it looks really good. So let's get started. And it will be again be, I think, a short stream of half an hour, because there is not much to it, and it is only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript. No JavaScript is involved in this. So let's get started. So I have just have a empty folder with weather card, and let me make a lex dot html here, and style dot css here. Doing too much React. Okay, so this tilde I have to do, and let me increase the font size so it is viewable in our mobile view. Mobile screens are a very good way. So this, let me change it to weather card. Okay, weather card is more than enough. Then let me do a link, and it is css. Style.css is more than enough. And then after that, okay, so there is a, we are going to use font, a Google font, and there is another way to use Google font. Most of my videos, if you have seen, I'm doing it in the style thing, but we can directly use the link here also. So let me do that here only. So this you can download from Google. This is a Poppins font which we are going to use, and then after that, let us complete it. Okay, so now I will also open it with live server, so that it is open, but nothing will be shown because we have nothing. We have got nothing. So let's get started. Okay, so dot card is there, dot card, any shortcut, and I'll press tab, and the div will be created, and then h4 Bhopal, my state of residence currently, and my hometown is to partly cloudy, and it is really partly cloudy because what is happening, it is raining here. Okay, so then I have to have an image partly cloudy, or but how can it be partly cloudy? Partly, let us make it sunny, because I'm going to give a sun image, so now it should be partly cloudy. Okay, so and this image, wait, I will take it, I will take these images. Okay, so preview in file explorer, and I have to copy two images. Actually, one is for sun and another is for, okay, so these two images I will copy, and from my earlier project. Okay, so these two are there. One is this background, and one is the sun. Okay, both of these are there. Okay, so let's get started. Partly sunny, and then img src is sun dot png, alt is maybe sun, and h1 is maybe 32, and degree is like this, and degree will be degree will go in super, so it will go in sup sub, and this will be like this, and let me save it. So it is looking like this: Bhopal partly sunny, and h1 I have taken, and see, this 32 degrees Celsius, it is coming like this. Okay, so all of these things will be styled. Okay, so now let's get ahead, and after that I will have a container. Okay, dot container I'll have, and then dot details I'll have, and then p max and span 32. Again, the something gives it's at the top. That something is here. If you have seen, see this fit something, it comes like this. Okay, so now again 32, and because I am going to create something like this max and min, so that's why we are giving. So 32 sup sub. Okay, let me do one thing, let me copy this, because anyways it is going to come like this only. 32 sub I will give max, and similarly again a detail one will be there, same details one will be there, and it will be min maybe 30. Save it. Now we'll have all these styles and all these things we are going to have. Now it's time to do the CSS styles. So let us go ahead, and here the first thing which we should always do is that star padding is 0, margin is 0, box sizing is border box. Save it. And now we have got a background also, so that background will come as a background image. Okay, so body background is URL, this background 2.jpg, and we can give the no repeat thing here only, or we can give it a separate property, but it's better to give it here only. No repeat center, not center, it will center and fixed. I'll give. If I save this, come back, so the background has been done. So background image has been done very well. Okay, so now the other things which we have to fix, which is first, the first thing which we are going to do is this card. So dot card is there, height of 360px and width of 360px, and background color of RGBA 255, 255, 255, 0.06. Position is absolute. Okay, so this background color and all we have given, so a cool background color is there. And now margin is auto. So position absolute we have given because we want to move this to the left and right on all those things. Left 0, the right is 0, top is 0, and bottom is 0. Okay, so now after this we'll put the filter. So this, okay, backdrop filter. A backdrop filter is blur 20 px. Save it. We come back. See, so this card we are moving, this card we have moved to the center, and then the backdrop filter. So backdrop filter blur we're doing, so the blur has been done. Okay, so and we have to convert it like this. Okay, so that blur has been done, and that is one of the main trick, this backdrop filter. So then after this, border will be 1px solid RGBA 255 comma 255 comma 255 comma 0.1. Okay, so border also we have, not this one but this one. Yeah, but our slide border is also there. Then the box shadow will give it as 20px 20px 22px RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.2. Bit of box shadow also we have given. Okay, so the box shadow is also done, and then border radius, let's give some border radius also. It is 8px, and then font family, serif can be my backup font, because we have taken Poppins, so we'll give the Poppins as the main font. Whenever we take a Google font, we have to give this quotes. So Poppins I will give, Poppins I will give, and then color is hash fc 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 fc, like this. Save it, and it is already showing much better. So but this image is quite huge. So see, this image is very small, so we have to minimize the image, so we have to make it small. So card, this image is there, this one we are choosing dot card img I am going to choose, and width is 60px. Someone is asking which is easy, React.js or Angular for learning, and in real time how many days it takes to learn React.js or Angular. Okay, so I will answer those things in a different live. I have a Saturday night call every Saturday night live, so those kind of thing I do answer them there. But even though you're asking, so all these things will be answered there. But yeah, React.js is much easier to learn. I can say this right now because this is a different stream, and I have to answer them on a Saturday live stream, which I always have on a Saturday at 9:15. So bring up all this question at that time. Okay, with 60px and margin left, and go for React.js. It is used more than Angular. So width is 60px and margin left is 39px card image. So let me save it. So the image now is small and it is looking pretty good. Now h4 we am going to target. H4 means this one, Bhopal, we are going to target, and letter spacing is 4px, font weight is 600, okay. Source code will be there at the end when this will go on YouTube. So I'm live streaming and it will come to YouTube, I think, from by tomorrow. So that is like that means, or you can watch the replay. I'll put it. Font size is 10px font weight is 600, font size is 10 px, text align is center, and margin is 25 px, 0, 10 px, 0. Between tomorrow I have a React.js mini bootcamp, 2 days bootcamp, and you want, you can anyways, if someone want, they can come to that bootcamp, and connect me offline, means outside of YouTube. I am there on LinkedIn, find me on LinkedIn, and I will tell the details. Okay, so this H4 we have done. So this Bhopal is coming nicely. Okay, then we are going to do the H6. This H6 is text, align is center, and color is hash b3 b3 b3, and letter spacing is 5 px, and font weight is 300, and margin bottom is 25 px. Let me save it. S6, now what is S6? S6 is partly sunny, so partly sunny is also coming very good. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to do the H1. So which is the H1? H1 is this 32-degree here is the H1. So this one we are going to do, and if you see, this one is quite big, so this one is what we are going to do now. H1 letter spacing is 2px, text align is center, font size is 50px, and font weight is 300. Save it, and no, not this one. So it is looking good. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do for this container which contains this max and all those things, so that we have to fix now. So this, I will come here, dot container, width is of not 100%, width is of 70%, and margin left is of 15%. Display, I will take it as grid, GTC grid template column. It's not repeat, it will be auto, and margin top is of 30px. Save it. So it has got children, or these two are these children, so both of them are details, so both of them has the same name because they are, anyways they are same. So this is coming nice, and then we will go to details, and text align is center, and font size is 13px, and letter spacing is 1px, and font weight is 600. Details, So details we have done. So see, now the details is also coming perfectly. Okay, text line center and all, everything is got filled. So now the details I will target, this in details, this span I will target. Okay, and let us do that. Span I will target, and color is hash b3 b3 b3. Okay, save it. So the color is bit of gray and it is looking very good with this glass morphism thing. It is, the background is looking way too good. Okay, so this is done. And then details, the first child, we are going to choose the first child, which will be this main. Okay, so this main, so this is another way to choose it. Okay, so see, we want to have this line here. Okay, this line we want to have. So for that we are choosing it like this. We will choose dot details, and first child we'll choose, and just put a border right is 2px solid hash fc. So first child anyways means it is, means the first one. After this details, this one is the first one. So first child is means first detail, so second detail, so both of them we have the same class name, so that's why we are choosing the first child. If we are choosing the second child, so if I save it, yeah, save it, see it is coming here. So there are some, there is first child, no, there is first child, and there is last child, my bad. So first child is there and last child is there, and nth child is also there. So if I do this last child, so see it will come in here. Last child means the second one. Okay, so we don't want it there, so we want the first child. It is coming correctly. And with this we completed today's stream. I know it is very small stream, but yeah, I am producing videos on a daily basis, so some of the streams will be small and some of them will be big. So this Angular stream take a lot of time to build, and this all this I have actually told on my LinkedIn also, this all the blogs for this were prepared by my very good interns. So I have intern also in my company, so they prepared the blog for it. Everything is a blog, and then only I converted it into some YouTube videos. And I'm concentrating on Angular nowadays because I am taking a corporate batch on Angular also. So, but as someone asked, means whether React or Angular, React anything. So 90% jobs are in React in the market. Startups it is 99%. 1% is in Vue. So I will briefly tell, and that 10% jobs are enterprise job. So, but with React, if you know Angular also, you will be invincible. You can get job in all the service companies like Infosys and all, Infosys, TCS and all. They have a lot of Angular project, because the old projects, the enterprise level projects, they prefer Angular. So if you have both knowledge, it will be very good. And another question also, let me answer that one also. How much knowledge required for front end developer? GitHub, Excel knowledge you don't require. Why will you require Excel knowledge? GitHub basic is required, and Linux again basic. You should be able to do npm install, those commands you should be able to write, cd mkdir, all those basic commands you should know. Okay, so hope it answered your questions. And with this means I will complete this stream today, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not. And one more thing I want to tell, tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'm going to take a React.js mini boot camp. So if you want to attend, please do find me on LinkedIn or Maybe I will keep a link in this also, but anyways, this video will not be available so soon, so please ping me on LinkedIn. Find Nabendra Vishwas on LinkedIn, you will find me. I have quite a lot of connections there, and I can take it from there and tell about that React.js mini bootcamp. It's not a free, it's a paid, but very affordable at 199. So you can do it. And with this, I will end this stream. Thank you for watching. I will post videos tomorrow and day after tomorrow, because I won't be doing anything live, but I will be posting videos because I'm daily posting videos, because I'm doing 100 days of videos challenge also. So see you then. Thank you.